Okay. We sat at the back of the bus again because the guy with the beard was stolen a thief. He's gone. Where's he gone? Who was now? You.
See, sneezing.
Like that one on Facebook, Alex.
Look, I made a cake and a rose.
Where the hell's the bee? And CJ, would you like to sort of elaborate for that? Hello. CJ,
Bye.
I'm going to be there, the bee. No, her bag. Where's her bag?
Look, this is my cake. We ate some of it. Yum.
Can probably tell. It actually stinks. It's all horrible. It might be squishy. People are sat there.
People are sat there. Doesn't matter, you know.
They're just saying the
It's fine to feel beaten up. Not sprayed either. Today.
Oh well.
Emily's got me scratch marks on her ass.
Actually, so have I.
Have you? Oh my god.
On my left?
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
From me.
Yeah.
That one.
Alex had a bitch right over my phone.
Yeah.
Thank you, I love you.
With who? Oh, okay. And you're weird.
With Emily.
And you're weird with my friend. I hurt my arm, and I think I've got an infection in it. I might need it chopped off. Yeah. Friend.
Your ear chopped off.
My arm.
Oh. Look, what?
What, is this Emily Miller?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you,
Yeah.
I hate you.
It's will be on YouTube.
Let's be listening to her sister.
That was oh hi, if nobody heard that.
Well, listen to this.
The guy who stole CJ's seat.
No, Moon and the Diamond. Lady Gaga.
Wow.
That's really, really unexpected. Yeah, normally it's this Lady Gaga, Marina and the Diamonds,
She's annoying.
Florence and the Machines, or...
Don't you think Marina and Diamond could have fun
What?
machine?
Yeah, okay. Okay now. Super Billy, isn't he like
Do you know what's the most,
what's the most disturbing thing ever? Do you know during activities last week, last year, me, Melissa, and Lizzie were in the thing, and we have to watch this labour thing, and he was there, he was wearing like, no, and the puppet dropped some things, and it was like really cranky, and we were like, ew!
Alex, someone's staring at you. At normal.
I'm normal as Alex. Yeah. Look in the camera everywhere.
What? I know. She stole CJ's seat.
CJ's like that.
CJ!
I'm getting off at end.
CJ, come back!
Are you? No, sorry, what am I talking about? Head
No. Come back! Because he stole your seat. We're missing you!
No, I'm joking. We love CJ. We love CJ.
We love CJ, really.
We love CJ. We really do love CJ.
Yeah.
Just in case she's watching.
Go and eat some of my cake. Yeah.
Now do the aftertaste-face. Aftertaste-face.
It's so weird, it's scary. I know, but then we're sat with you, so that makes you weird too.
Whatever. At least I do it come down to your weirdness.
You probably do, you know.
Oh my god, don't even talk about it. It was a dinosaur, did you know that? Oh!
Stop laughing at me.
I know!
He's like,
She actually can act relatively normal if it's not with that Jacob's cat. So you just act like, oh, her hair. That's Emily's brother. She's a giant. I know! She's like my height and she's like in year 2.
oh my god, seriously?
Seriously. Absolutely
Freak.
giant. Should we record that? She's our height, she's in year 2. I know. And then why is the height feeling at school?
You're so evil. You have lowered down to our level officially.
Like, not necessarily. People call me
She went struggling and she's like,
yeah, the brother's like the hair. I know, and she's treated
yeah. Dark. The bus has gone to darkness. I can see you a little bit.
Oh, no, that's right.
Yeah?
She has a bracelet off.
We've already made a video when she had a bracelet off, Alex.
Oh, we mentioned it?
Yes, that was late news.
You have a bracelet.
I mentioned it the other day.
Yesterday.
Yeah, close up. I don't
Yeah, Rachel, go for close up.
Smile!
Let's not smile.
That was me going like this. Because I can't find the zoom in button. Since Christmas I've not found the zoom in button. The guy getting off the bus. See if you can get Bronwyn to say I hate you.
This is what?
You can get Bronwyn to say I hate you.
Bronwyn. 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 Bronwyn, all ahead.
Bronwyn.
Bronwyn, I love you.
Bronwyn, Dominic loves you.
Dominic?
Yeah. Sorry. Like Dominic loves you. That was good enough.
I thought if I said I love her, she'd
Yeah.
hate you.
Well, my cousin Dominic, she somehow knows him, and I think she used to fancy him or something because she really hates him.
Ooh, Dominic.
I know. Ooh, bye.
Okay then.
Oh,
I'm not leaving.
I was a bit awkward walking on the bus. We're like gonna follow you. Following me.
Else, his hair's like really, really down like ah.
No. Oh my god.
And she stood up. She looked small. She looked that girl who stood up and she was like that. Was watching that big and she stood up and she was like, wait.
Yeah. That was creepy.
Okay. I think I was there. What are you doing now? Filming her flat.
They're creeping us out.
I know. It's like about a shower as well, aren't they? Oh my god, you getting off? Oh. Stop, right. Bye bye, Kate. Bye. My friend there, but you know. Almost bye bye, Kate.
Look, apparently if you take it, it comes back up and it's ready, then look, watch. It works.
Yeah, so that's called sponge, Rachel.
I know. But if you tuck it down, it comes back up and it's ready. That's what it's supposed to do, and then it's ready to come out the other way. Would you like to carry my bag on, Curtis, if I come down with you?
No, I don't really want to.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Carry this one then.
No, I'm not getting up.
I'm not, I'll come down with you.
Okay, I love you.
Sorry, gotcha.
I'm sorry. I love you. Alright.
Let go of my phone. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
I'm getting off the next stop.